fucking mirror. Where did we go wrong? If not here, where do we belong? In a shot of sun off an airplane far above her, in the glint of a foot-burnished manhole cover, in the light of sun or one kind or another, in the gleaming eye of a fighter or lover. Sitting here at the Hortons, so you know this is important. If not here, then when? If not now, then when? When a feather's an immovable force, when a stampede's an obstacle course, when an ancient train has hit old transient horse, when we're a Vancouver divorce. Now that we've hammered the last spike and punched the railroad through, thought there'd be more to say, thought there'd be more to do. Well, I love your paintings, don't take their colors away. I've grown more fearful of them every day, swimming up their dark river to discover their source, a source of strange and unrequited remorse. And I found the end of the world, of course, but it's not the end of the world, of course. It's just a Vancouver divorce. It's just a Vancouver divorce.
Live in the studio.